Picture a world where financial success and personal fulfillment go hand in hand. Now, imagine that you have the power to make this dream a reality. Welcome to the world of credit repair, where the opportunity to change lives and build a prosperous business awaits. Have you ever wondered how to succeed in the credit repair business opportunity? If so, you're in the right place. Join us on a journey where we'll explore the ins and outs of this dynamic industry and reveal the key to unlocking your financial potential. What is credit repair? Credit repair, as you may know, is all about identifying and rectifying inaccuracies, errors, or outdated information on an individual's credit report to boost their credit score. But what's the business opportunity here? Financially and emotionally rewarding. The credit repair business offers not just financial rewards, but also emotional fulfillment. Imagine earning a good income while making a fundamental change in people's lives. Helping them overcome debt and achieve their dreams is a joy. High demand. The credit repair industry thrives in today's world, where individuals are constantly seeking ways to improve their credit scores. The demand for credit repair services is higher than ever. High chances of success. Success stories abound in the credit repair industry. With a growing demand for these services, your chances of building a successful business are more significant than ever. But how can you make the most of this opportunity? The credit repair business opportunity. Now, let's dive deeper into the credit repair business opportunity, recession-proof. One significant advantage is that the credit repair industry tends to be recession-proof. During economic downturns, individuals often use credit repair services to regain their financial footing. Scalability. The business is adaptable to your goals. You can start small and scale up as you serve a broader client base. Low overhead. Unlike many businesses, credit repair services don't require a physical storefront or significant inventory. This keeps your overhead costs low. High profit potential. Credit repair businesses often charge upfront and monthly subscription fees, providing a steady income stream. The profit potential is significant. How to succeed in the credit repair business opportunity. So how can you succeed in this lucrative business opportunity? To succeed in the credit repair business opportunity, you must 1. Offer the best customer service. Build strong customer relationships by solving their problems and creating step-by-step plans for improvement. 2. Knowledge of related laws. Stay updated on laws and regulations to protect your clients and run your business appropriately. 3. Effective marketing strategies. Promote your services using professional websites and social media platforms to reach potential clients. 4. Use updated software, streamline your work processes, and track your clients' progress. 5. Continuously learn. Adapt to changing trends and stay updated to provide the best services to your clients. Tips for success. Let's explore some tips for success in the credit repair business. If you want to excel in this field, 1. Know the laws. Stay informed about the laws and regulations governing your industry. They are essential for protecting your clients and running your business responsibly. 2. Effective marketing. Use efficient marketing strategies to promote your services and connect with potential clients. 3. Utilize software. Use software and technology to streamline your work processes and track your clients' progress more effectively. 4. Stay updated. Continuously educate yourself and adapt to the changing landscape of the credit repair industry. Expanded content. Now that we've covered the core aspects of the credit repair business opportunity, let's delve deeper into each component to provide a comprehensive guide to succeeding in this industry. Deeper insight into credit repair. Credit repair is not just about fixing credit scores, it's about transforming lives. It's about giving individuals a fresh start, a chance to secure loans with favorable terms, and a path to financial freedom. When you enter the world of credit repair, you become a financial hero, a guiding light for those needing help. Fulfillment in credit repair. The emotional rewards in this business are immeasurable. Imagine the satisfaction of helping someone break free from the shackles of bad credit, enabling them to buy their first home or start a new business. This is the kind of work that fills your heart and soul. Continued demand. The demand for credit repair services shows no sign of slowing down. With the increasing number of individuals struggling with debt or facing financial challenges, there is a growing demand for professionals who can offer guidance and support in improving credit scores, managing debts, and rebuilding financial stability. Historical success. The credit repair industry has a history of success. Many individuals have found personal and financial fulfillment in this field. By offering excellent customer service, staying updated on relevant laws and regulations, using effective marketing strategies, utilizing software to streamline work processes, and continuously learning about the industry, you can position yourself for success in this field. The credit repair business opportunity. The credit repair business opportunity presents a world of possibilities, and it's essential to understand what makes it unique. Recession-proof. The term recession-proof is not used lightly. During economic downturns, when people grapple with financial uncertainty, they often turn to credit repair services as a lifeline to regain their financial footing. This industry thrives in both good and challenging economic times. Scalability. One of the most exciting aspects of this opportunity is its scalability. You can start your credit repair business on a small scale, serving a niche clientele. As you gain experience and build a strong reputation, you can expand to serve a broader client base. The growth potential is limited only by your ambition. Low overhead. Unlike some businesses that require substantial upfront investments in physical storefronts or inventory, the credit repair business allows you to keep overhead costs low. All you need is a computer, software, and the knowledge to make a difference. High profit potential, and the cherry on top is the high profit potential. Credit repair businesses often charge upfront and monthly subscription fees, creating a steady and reliable income stream. As your client base grows, your profits can increase exponentially. In conclusion, the credit repair business opportunity is a gateway to financial success and personal fulfillment. It's a chance to make a positive impact on people's lives while building a thriving business. By offering top-notch customer service, staying informed about laws and regulations, using effective marketing strategies, employing software to streamline your work, and constantly evolving with the industry, you can rise to the top. To succeed in the credit repair business opportunity, you must be prepared for a journey filled with challenges and rewards. It's a path that offers financial security and the chance to make a profound difference in the lives of others. So, take the leap, invest your time and effort into building a strong team, and implement a solid business plan. It's worth every moment. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.